How to add sound effects to your TikTok videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, you'll learn how you can add sound effects to your TikTok videos to make them more engaging. So sound effects can enhance any type of video, whether it's lip sync, dance, or a funny moment. First, ensure that you have updated the TikTok application with its latest version, or you're also logged in with your specific account. Now, once you're in your TikTok homepage, tap on your profile or the plus icon directly from the bottom of the screen. Now go ahead and create a new video or simply add it from your gallery. Once a video has been added, simply go ahead and tap on the voice icon. And you will see the option of different voice effects to apply to your video. A menu with various sound effects will appear categorized into sections like mechanical sounds, daily life, human voices, and more. Tap on sound effect to preview it, and once you find the one you like, you can tap on the use button or simply save it from the top and you'll be done. So you've successfully added a sound effect to your TikTok video. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.